Today I have my daughter Riel, who is 2. Say hi, Riel. My son Adelaide, who is 7. Say hi, Adelaide.
Hi.
My neighbor Justice, who is 8. Hi. And we are gonna show how functions relate to each other, specifically how numbers work inside functions, specifically addition and subtraction. Since Adelaide is in the 1st grade and Justice is in the 2nd grade, I feel that this is age appropriate to just focus on addition and subtraction. So my daughter Riel has numbers she's going to choose from, and she's going to put her number inside the input slot. And inside the box, it looks like this. Adelaide has some numbers, and he has a function, a -1 function. And then he's going to put the output out of that slot, and then Justice is going to get it and try to figure out what the function is. Okay, so here we go. Riel, give Adelaide a number. Can we see the number? It's a number 3. Do you see that, Justice?
Yes.
Do you want to write it down on your chalkboard so that you remember? And Adelaide, remember your function. So what number are you going to put out? Don't show us the function. Just put out a number. What number is it?
2.
2. Okay, so where are you going to write that to at, Justice? No, you're not going to write it there because that is the outcome, right? So the output was 2. You put it right there. So what, we started with a 3. What do we have to do with a 3 in order to get 2? Go ahead. It's no right or wrong. If you get it wrong, we will fix it. Don't worry. Is that a -1? That's correct. It's a little light, but you're right. So in order to get 2, we have to -1. Okay, let's try it again. Let's see. Give Adelaide another number. Can we see it first, Riel? Can we see the number? Show mommy. Show mommy the number.
Can I give
It's a 4. It's a 4. Okay, good job. Go ahead. Give it to Adelaide. Okay, the number is 4. Do you want to write it down, Justice, or do you think you can keep it in your head? Okay, you got to write it down. So Adelaide, remember your function and give us a number in the output. No more numbers, Riel. Wait 1 minute. 3. Okay, where are you going to write your 3? Yes. Okay, so what do you have to do to 4 in order to get 3? Subtract 1 again. Okay, let's try one more. Go ahead, Riel. Give Adelaide a number, but show us. Can we see the number? Can you show mommy? Can I see the number? It's a number 2. Okay, that's how old you are, too. Okay, Adelaide, remember your function. So if you have 2 and you take away 2, how many do you have? If I give you 2 pieces of candy and I take away 2 pieces of candy,
0.
you have 0, so that's not going to work, right? So that one, yep, we erased it. Let's try it again. So if you have 2 pieces of candy and then you have 1, what happened? I took away how many? I took away 1, correct. Okay, so it seems that our function here is what?
2 minus 1 equals 1.
minus 1. Our function is minus 1. It's the only thing that these have in common. So all these, what they have in common is minus 1. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Riel gave Adelaide a 4, and Adelaide gave us a 3. So in order to get from 4 to 3, we have to take away 1. The same thing again. Riel gave Adelaide a 2, and Adelaide and the output gave us a 1. So how do we get from 2 to 1? We have to minus 1. So our function is minus 1. Let's try it again. We're going to try 3 more times. I'm going to give Adelaide another function, and then Adelaide is going to work with this. So this is your new function. It's a secret only for you. Give Riel her green numbers back. Wait, Mama. Adelaide's going to give you your numbers back. Okay. Now give Adelaide a number. Adelaide, we're working with a new function now. Okay. The number is 2. Okay. Justice, write your 2 on the board. And we're just waiting for our output. Our output is a 4. So write that down. Are we going to write it there, or are we going to write it? Oh, good job. Good job. So how do we get from 2 to 4? What has to happen to 2 in order to get a 4? Good job. We have to plus 2. We have to add 2. Okay. Go ahead, Riel. Give Adelaide another number. Oh, can you give it to him in the input? Good job. We have to work with our machine. This is our little machine. Okay. A 3. Good job. Go ahead, Justice. Do you want to write your 3 down? Do you need some help, buddy? Okay. So, where's your function? Okay, and she gave you a 3. So, what is it? 3. Okay. Oh. What number is that? 5. A 5. Okay. Good job. So, how do we get from 3 to 5, Justice? What do we have to do to the number 3? We have to add 2. Good job. All right, one more time. Riel, give Adelaide a number in the input slot.
4.
4. Okay. The number is 4. Do you want to write that down, Justice? And what's the oh, something came out the output. What is that? Okay, how do we get from 4 to 6? What do we have to do to number 4? We have to add 2. Okay, so what do these all have in common? That's our function. What's our function?
2.
Yes, but what? Is it minus 2 or is it plus 2?
Plus 2.
Plus 2 is our function. Awesome. Thank you guys so much. You guys were great.